It's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, ayy. It's a wrap.
Hello, welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose from what you adore.
Hello, welcome back to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look. Okay, in this video we are back with another Mayvenn Headband wig. Okay, if you want to see the Mayvenn Headband wig that I currently have on, I will have the video in the cards. All right, so y'all, this particular wig, all right, it's a new texture. When I first ordered a while ago, when Mayvenn first launched the headband wigs, they didn't have this texture, which is the water wave, or this texture that I'm about to show y'all. Okay, so of course, you know, Mayvenn has the packaging on lock. Okay, we have the magnetic box, and when you open up, it says all hail your hair. Okay, then you slide the little box out. It's like a little drawer, which is super cute. And this is the wig. Okay, this is the 18-inch Brazilian Kinky straight. Okay, now if you saw one of my last videos, I'm taking the little net off and the paper out. If you saw one of my latest videos, I got some Kinky clip-ins and they did not do what I needed them to do. So I have used the Mayvenn Kinky bundles before and I really like those, so I was excited to see a Kinky headband wig. Okay, so this is how it looks. Again, I said it's 18 inches. All right, and it is a little fuller at the top and kind of gets a little thinner toward the ends. With this, for styling, I don't think I want to just wear it straight. I do want to put some curls in it, like with some flexi rods or something, so I think that'd be cute to try out. And of course, I will wash it eventually, but starting out the same way with this one, how I'm wearing it for a while, and then I'm going to wash it. I think I'm going to try the same thing with this one to kind of see how it works out. This one has that new kind of double velcro situation as well, and this is really good for smaller heads. That's what I'm noticing, so it's great that they added this. And of course, we have the combs on the inside for my comb girls, but y'all know I don't use the combs. So also in this box, they send you 5 headbands. Okay, we got black, white, like a gold, a kind of champagne, and a gray. And I have on the gold one that came with this wig. You get a care manual and of course the Mayvenn satin bag. Okay, so I'm going to take this wig off. I'm going to put this one on. Okay, so with this headband, I'm just going to kind of slide it down over my face. Ooh, this is some strong Velcro. Woo, okay. So what I do is put a wig cap on and basically just slide it back. I don't lay baby hair and all that stuff when I wear my headband wigs. Okay. It's giving. Wait a minute. Where's my comb? Okay. I'm kind of liking this straight. Wow. Okay. It's giving blowout. I like this. Yes. Okay. So this is definitely giving blowout. I'm loving it straight, which is crazy. Typically I don't like straight hair. I have to have some type of curl or something, but this is giving like this is my hair. Okay, you see the little wave and the little wave, like you can't tell me that this is not a blowout on my hair. Okay, so I am loving this. So I think I might wear it like this. When I do curl it, I'll come and show y'all how I curl it and all that kind of stuff, but this is the one. Okay, I really like this, y'all. So let me know in the comments what y'all think. Are y'all feeling the kinky straight headband wig? Okay, are y'all still wearing headband wigs? Cause the lace is just, I love the lace, but it's hot. It's a little hot for some lace. I do want to try sew-in soon with my natural hair. So we're going to see how that goes. But this is pretty. You know, I got to do a little something. I can't just have it going straight to the back. I got to do something to it. But yeah, this is cute. So let me know in the comments if you are feeling, okay, the Mayvenn Kinky Straight Headband Wig. Again, this is 18 inches and I am loving it. Okay, anything shorter, I just feel like I don't want no short hair right now. At this point in my life, I need 18 or higher. Okay. So that's where I'm at with these headband wigs. If it ain't long, I don't want it. Okay, so let me know what y'all think about this one in the comments. I absolutely love it. Okay, ooh, I don't know which one I want to wear tomorrow, this one or the one I just took off. This lash has been through it, y'all. I've been trying to salvage these same lashes. I've been cleaning them, rewearing them, cleaning them, rewearing them. But this pair, I think it's after the 30 wears. This pair is done. Okay. If you want to see how I clean my lashes and everything, I do have a whole video, so I'll put that in the cards as well. But this pair, I think she's done. And the ones I have on, these are Assertive from my lash line. These are like one of my favorites from my lash line. So I wear Assertive all the time. My husband, he be like, you got on Assertive, don't it? But right now, I don't know what it's looking like. It's about time to retire this pair. But let me know what y'all think about this wig, okay? I did not film this makeup look, but I have tons of makeup looks on the channel that y'all can check out. So please check them out, okay? And make sure you give this video a big old thumbs up. Share it with a friend, okay? Somebody that you know loves them headband wigs, okay? Go gonna share it with them. I will have the link to this exact wig in the description bar, as well as the link to my Mayvenn store, so y'all can check it out. Get you some bundles, some wigs, whatever. Mayvenn got it all. But yeah, I'm loving this one. Okay. We have some HD lace and all that kind of stuff on there. I'm not really into feeling the lace right now. It's just too hot, okay? When it get cold, that's when I'm gonna pull the lace back out, okay? It's too hot to be slicking and laying, and then as soon as you step outside, and I don't glue my wigs down, so if you glue your wigs down, you probably okay. But me, I don't glue my wigs down. I don't lay my edges. I don't really do none of that. So I need something that's quick and easy so I can run up out of the door, okay? But yeah, this is what she's giving, okay? So leave me some comments below. Let me know what kind of videos y'all want to see. I'm trying to get back into pumping these videos out. Y'all know, if you don't know, I had a little baby boy, okay? And he is growing and enjoying life, okay? And I started back working and all that kind of stuff. So I'm trying to get these videos out. So let me know what y'all want to see, okay? And if you are interested in nails, I do have a whole channel for nails for y'all to check out. That channel is just called Itz Sirap, and this channel is the Itz Sirap HSB, which is the hair, skin, and body, okay? So, enough of me rambling, alright? Always remember to keep God first, family second, and everything else will get in line in that order, okay? Make sure you subscribe to this channel. We have got to get these subscribers up so that I can start going live on here and do some live makeup looks and all that kind of stuff. So tell your friends to subscribe to Itz Sirap HSB, okay? But that's it. That's all I'm gonna say, okay? Guess what time it is? It's a wrap. I'll see y'all in the next video.
It's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap, it's a wrap, it's a wrap, hey. It's a wrap.
Hello. Welcome to Itz Sirap, where I help you achieve your finished look.
Hair, makeup, nails, fashion, and most. Yeah, it's time for you to choose wrong what you adore. It's a one-stop shop. It's a wrap. Yeah, we do that. Go subscribe, hit the bell, leave a like, and just sit back.